What do you see inside?
I see the frog.
You see a frog. Is that sand? Is this sand? Is it soft sand? Feel it. Can you feel it? What does it feel like, Maya?
I can't take it out.
You can't take it out. Do you need some help? Come on, frog. Come on out. Come on. There he is. What's that? Is the frog. You gonna brush off all the sand? Brush, brush, brush. In the water.
I wash my hands.
Wash your hands in the water. Is the water hot or cold?
It's cold.
Cold water. Splash, splash, splash.
That's an octopus.
An octopus. What else is hiding?
But I can't take it. Hippo.
There's the hippo. A pink hippo.
I want my hands. Wash. Oh, that's a dolphin.
A dolphin.
All green. And my seal.
Is that a seahorse? What's that one?
Here.
Is that a seahorse? The seal's coming up next. This one's a seahorse. What else is inside? Let's have a crab. Little crab. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Little crab.
Mommy,
pinch.
all that tiny bubbles.
There's bubbles in there. If we go splash, 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 splash. There's more bubbles. Look, pop, pop, pop.
That three bubbles. Or that hiding the mermaid.
There's a mermaid. She's in the water. Swimming in the water. Swish, swish, swish. Swimming in the water. Swish, swish, swish.
Or that hiding blue mermaid.
A blue mermaid. Another mermaid. Does she have blue hair? No. She's got a blue top and a red tail. Look. She's got a red tail, an orange tail, a blue top and yellow hair.
Or that hiding.
What's that hiding?
Shark. Shark. Mommy, that's like a shark.
That's a shark.
Two apples.
A blue shark. What else?
Or that dog.
A starfish. Little starfish. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Little starfish. Stretch, stretch, stretch.
My daddy got more water.
We need more water. Should we pour more water in?
Let's put water in.
Pour.
That one.
Pour. Stop. Let's see what else is inside. The lobster.
I want my hands.
Wash your hands. Splash, splash, splash. Wash your hands. Who
Or
else
that's
is?
hiding. Who was hiding?
Why don't you brush it off? Brush, brush, brush. Oh, shake, shake, shake. Okay, shake, shake, shake. What's that, Maya? A blue fish.
I already body here.
Everybody's inside. All your sea animals. What else? Is there anything else? Let's look around. Is there anything else hiding?
Shaky.
This is your seal. That's the seal.
Want my hands. Wash, wash, wash. Want pour more water.
Pour more water. Do you want to have a turn to pour the water in?
Yeah.
You pick it up and pour. Pour the water in.
All done.
All done.
Why was that hiding?
Is there more hiding inside? Let's have a look around. Why don't you put your hands inside the sand? Put them inside. What do you feel? Is it rough or smooth? Rough, 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 rough. Feel the sand. Feel the sand. Oh, I see something. Is that a tail? What's inside? What's that? Brush, brush, brush. What's that?
Whale.
That's a walrus.
What?
A
What
wall.
behind us? Yeah, to go under. Mommy, the water goes under.
Goes under the water, deep, deep in the water.
The mermaid goes under, swimming in water. Under the water.
Yes,
Okay.
deep in the water.
It's swimming in water.
See, these are on the surface and these are deep, deep in the water. The lobster is deep in the water. He's at the bottom where the sand is. And the crab is on the surface. Pinch, pinch, pinch.
That's so many bubbles.
So many bubbles. I see something else hiding. Let's have a look.
I can't see it.
Let's see if you can put your hands inside. Oh, did you feel something? Did you feel something?
I see the mermaid.
Another mermaid.
I feel two mermaids.
Is that it? Let's double check. Let me check. Let me put my hand through the sand. That's it. Oh, I see something else in here. I see something else,
No,
Berry.
I see baby shark.
Our baby shark. Maya. What's that sound, Maya?
A boy.
What did you see? A boat? And who is inside the boat?
The captain.
The captain. He goes on the water. Put the captain in the boat. Broom,
I
broom,
want my
broom.
hands, but what's inside?
What's in this cup?
Cow.
Shells. Pour the shells in the water.
Yeah.
It's a cup of water. Oh, is it-
Captain very clean.
The captain's clean, but the boat's taking water. It's going to sink if it has water in it. It's going to sink to the bottom. Look, it's going down, down, down in the bottom. You take the water out. Take the water out so you can float on top. Look, he's floating on top of the water.
Sharks want to go in the water.
In the cup in the water. The shells are going in the cup in the water.
I see one shell. I see something else.
What do you see?
I see one shell.
A small shell. How do they feel? Let's feel the shells. Can we take one out? How does it feel? Let's take one out. What about this one? Let's feel it. I'll hold your cup. I'll hold it. Let's feel it. How does it feel, Maya?
It's rough.
It's rough and bumpy. Rough and bumpy. What about this one? That one feels smooth, doesn't it? Feels smooth.
That one got in the sand.
You want to put them in the sand? Okay, you can put them in the sand. Or you want to put them in the cup, in the water. In the yellow cup. And there's one last animal to discover. There's one.
I can't check.
What's in the box? Ready? Knock, knock,
I
knock.
open it.
Let's open it, but we've got to knock on the box first. Ready? Knock, knock, knock.
What's inside?
What's inside?
There's
Ready?
a crocodile.
Oh, it might be that's a crocodile on top, but what's inside? It says quack, quack. What says quack, quack?
Mommy, where's the duck?
The duck is inside. Quack, 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 quack. There it is. Look how this duck swims. Its feet go up and down, swimming in the water, swimming in the water, up and down, up and down. He's capsized. Let's turn him over. Take the water out. And look, the frog captain's overboard. Let's save him. Come on, Frog Captain, climb up, up, up on the boat. Climb up, Frog Captain, and back inside. Drive the boat. Broom, 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 broom. Drive. Oh, you're filling the boat up with water. He's gone overboard. He's fallen over. Oh no, he's upside down. Everybody's upside down. What are you doing now?
Dry.
Dry all the animals.
Dry.
Dry.
Dry.